All right, so really quick, another quickie. I'm building a new base, a proper base. So far, all the stuff that I've built have just been super quickies. So I'm gluing these two pieces of acrylic together to make a nice long base, and then I'll be able to uh, build a better platform. But Mr. G Law, I did take your advice, and I made a more fitting retainer. So this is the same thing. This is the same setup as the one I built out of wood, but this is 3D printing, and it fits beautifully. I got the hole right. I got these hole rights, no crack, and I did took a measurement and just made a nice single fitted sleeve. So hopefully this guy, we're having a heat wave here, man. It's like 105 degrees. It's crazy. I can't stay in this garage too long. Even though it's cooler in here, yeah, it's bad. So you guys remember this guy over here. I actually put this on the end of it right here. I actually put it on the end right here, and it gave me a thought just to test out the size for the hole, to make sure I had the 8 millimeters correct or whatever it was. And it gave me an idea. I've got these nice long shafts. I could put a small run rotor here and a couple of, I can bring it together and put a couple of big generator rotors on the ends there and see how much I can generate just for fooling around. But yeah, this guy should be nice. Going to set it down there. We're also having an internet outage, so I won't even be able to upload this thing now, even though I'd like to. And I probably could put this guy on the end as well, because he is sweet. Look at that. It's pushing this big giant magnet. Look at it. You can see it. Anyway, I can either make this the drive coil, sticking it in the, oops, sorry about that, sticking it in the center here. I used to play with this a lot, magnetic bearing, but I used to get it going in the opposite directions, and it would catch. I would countersink it, but in the opposite way. Anyway, hopefully this guy will dry out pretty quick, and then I can build it up. Ciao.